Almost any current journalism and media job requires some digital or online knowledge and skills, including social media, digital content editing, online writing, and content creation. This means most newsrooms expect journalists to be multifaceted professionals. It is imperative for today's journalists to understand the basics of journalism in the current digital space. This course will introduce students to the concept of digital journalism, including an introduction to multimedia, current trends in digital journalism, revenue models, online security for journalists, and the skills they need for digital journalism. Choosing to study journalism is a long, beneficial decision because you get to freely and loudly feed your curiosity. You get to question those in charge. You learn something new every day. You get to tell stories in different digital formats, allowing your creativity to flow.